Welcome to Student Learning Services. What do we do? The department is responsible for providing students with academic support. Our free services include peer tutoring, learning skills workshops, math and writing center, note-taking services, peer-assisted study sessions, and digital learning. Did you know all students have access to 3 hours of tutoring per week? All peer tutors have achieved 80% or higher in the courses that they are supporting. Learning skills workshops. Workshops are 50 minutes in length and allow you to learn practical tips and tricks on acing post-secondary life. Students can either attend drop-in workshops or schedule one-on-ones based on their availability. Attend 5 workshops and add this experience to your co-curricular record. We offer 12 workshops, including topics like tips for multiple choice tests, what's your learning preference, and learn how to manage your money. All attendees will be entered into a monthly draw for a $25 gift card. Math and Writing Center. The Math Center provides free online and in-person tutoring for all students in any math-related courses, offering support in technical math, business math, statistics, and more. The Writing Center provides free online and in-person writing tutoring for all students in topics such as business writing, essay structure, research skills, and grammar. Note-taking services. Offered as an academic accommodation available for students registered with Accessible Learning Services. We accommodate various in-person and digital note-taking requests. Connect with an Accessible Learning Officer to learn more. Peer-assisted study sessions. Focuses on improving understanding of course content through collaborative learning with peers. Students have the opportunity to apply course-specific learning strategies during weekly group study sessions facilitated by a past leader. Digital Learning Coach. Don't know how to learn from PowerPoints and videos? You're not alone. Online learning can be hard. Digital learning coaches are here to help you enhance your learning and technological skills. For more information, visit humber.ca/learning resources. To contact peer-assisted learning support, email peer.tutoring@humber.ca. For the Writing Center, email writingcenter@humber.ca. For the Math Center, email mathcenter@humber.ca. Or visit our online front desk to speak with someone directly.